Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable auto update for any particular app on your Android device. So as you can see guys, I have lots of apps and game on my device. So just I want to update only one app. So for this guys, just go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store just you want to search that app, for example WhatsApp. Okay, so just search that app which you want to update only that app. After opening guys, in the top right side corner of your screen you can get three dots. Just tap on it. Here you can get the option enable auto update. Just you need to check this box, that's it. So only this app will automatically update on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.